Hello, today we are going to train your English voice to use some and any in more ways. We use somebody, someone, something, or somewhere when talking about a more specific object, person, or place. We use anybody, anyone, anything, or anywhere when it doesn't matter which one or how many we are talking about. So have a look at sentence example 1. I need somebody else to help me because my assistant just resigned. So here we use the word somebody. So I am looking, or I need, a specific person to be my assistant. Sentence 2. Anybody can apply for the position. So here it doesn't matter which people apply or how many different people apply. Anybody can apply for the position. If we use someone or somebody, it means we are referring to a singular person, thing, or place. But we use they, their, or them after them. So have a look at the sentence example. I believe somebody is investing in our company, but I haven't heard who they are. So in the first part of the sentence, we used the word somebody, which refers to a singular person, meaning one. But in the second part of the sentence, when we refer to that somebody, we use the word they. Now usually we know that they is referred to for a plural, but when we use the word somebody or someone, we can use they, their, or them to refer to that person later on. Sometimes any plus whichever word we use follows if or just the idea of if. This usually means that we are not sure of the situation or it doesn't really matter. So have a look at sentence 1. If anybody has any questions about the application, they can contact me. So here the sentence started with the word if, followed by anybody. This means that we are not sure who has any questions and it doesn't really matter. Sentence 2. Anybody with questions about the application can contact me. So this means if anybody has questions. But I didn't use the word if in that sentence. It's just the idea of if. Excellent job using some and any. Well done. Goodbye.